This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, WhatsApp has introduced a new feature called Channels, which is designed to offer a different type of messaging within the popular chat app. Channels is specifically created for one-to-many broadcasts rather than individual conversations. This feature is aimed at serving as a private platform for following important updates and information such as local and sports updates. In essence, Channels can be compared to a Twitter feed, but without the metrics or reply functionality. WhatsApp has observed the demand from government, transit agencies, brands, and others who seek an alternative platform to share crucial updates, as it positions Channels as a suitable replacement. It also serves as a creator tool, allowing individuals with an audience to share various forms of content, including text, photos, videos, stickers, and polls. WhatsApp has planned to integrate payment and monetization services into Channels, enabling creators to generate income from their content. Users can also discover Channels by searching within WhatsApp or browsing through a dedicated directory. The most recent updates from subscribed channels can be seen in the State section of the app. Privacy is emphasized as a crucial aspect of the channel experience. The app does not disclose channel admin information and only retains 30 days worth of the channel's history. Channel admins can even block screenshots and forwards to maintain the exclusivity of content within the channel. However, unlike regular WhatsApp's messages, channels do not feature end-to-end encryption. The company is considering introducing encryption for some channels in the future. Although the addition of channels seems like a natural progression for WhatsApp, similar features have already been present in other platforms for some time. Telegram and Instagram have their own versions of channels designed for one-to-many broadcasts. WhatsApp acknowledges that incorporating this kind of information within the messaging app feels more intuitive compared to mixing it with various content on Twitter. Zooming out from the immediate future, WhatsApp is transforming into more than just a messaging app. In recent months, it has introduced multiple enhancements and features such as multi-device support, a private newsletter tool, a new username system, polls, shopping capabilities, revamped status system, improved group chats, and more. Channels is another step in WhatsApp's journey to merge social media with messaging. Initially, Channels will be available in limited regions, including select organizations in Colombia and Singapore, as well as with leading global organizations. Over time, the feature will expand to more countries, and channel creation will become accessible to a broader range of users. While WhatsApp remains primarily a messaging app, its aspirations to grow, increase revenue, and become an all-inclusive super app are evident through its continuous efforts to offer more than just messaging functionality. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.